Going back out 25 yards. First with the Scorpion. Yes, sir. Scorpion. AR. All right. So each section, I'm shooting at different sections. So that's what my groupings are with the sections. So let's see. When I shot for the middle, that's the grouping. That's the grouping for this section. So I don't like shooting over the same section over and over. I did this section, that's the grouping right here. Then I went for this circle here, and that's the grouping for this circle. And down here, this was the Scorpion. You can see that's the section for that one. So for each section, the grouping's on point. Yes, sir.